hello everyone. Anybody's there? गाड़ी चालवतोय. You must have ऑफिस को जाने की जल्दी होगी तुमको. मैं भी कहीं निकल रहा हूँ. Yesterday, last night actually my batch started 8 p.m. batch, and what happened there is yesterday my batch started, and in yesterday's session I have not talked anything technical there. I just talked about goal setting, psychology of money, and I gave one example that let's suppose you want to set a goal. So what is the difference between dreams and goal? The goal is something wherein you have your start point defined, end point is also defined. You have a plan to implement that, and you have a solid purpose to achieve that. And while giving that example, I told them that I'm going to travel today, okay, and that I'm traveling. I'm going from Pune to Ahmednagar. Okay, so my start point is decided, my end point is also decided, and the travel plan was also decided that I will use my car, how much petrol I will need, how much distance I have to travel, where I will take breaks. So it was defined, and there was a purpose of this travel. This is why I want to go there. I want to go there to meet my doctor. Means earlier I had psoriasis, now it is cured, but still I need to visit at least once a month. So I have a purpose also. So my start point is there, that I know. My end point where I want to reach, that I know clearly. I know I have the travel plan, and I have a solid reason to go to that place. So your goals are also like that. And after that I asked one question, that what is the probability that tomorrow, that is today, I will be in front of my doctor at around 11 o'clock. And some people said that 90%, 70%, some people said 100%. And yes, your probability increases. Your probability increases when your start point is decided, means where you are actually. Let's suppose you want to switch your job. So at what position you are there currently? If you are doing manual testing, you have the skill set to do manual testing. What are the things that you don't know, that you already know? Then you decide the end point, where you want to go. So let's say you want to learn automation testing, some AI related tools. Start point, end point, you know. Then you decide the timeline, how much time you are going to take. Okay, and you should have a solid reason to achieve that goal. Fine. So your start point, you know, your end point, you know. You have planned your journey, means how are you going to learn the automation or whatever the skills you want to upgrade yourself. And the most important thing is your why should be clear. Means if you want to switch a job, ask 5 questions to yourself. Why you want to switch your job? why you want to get promotion. Maybe somebody will say that I want to earn more money. Again, ask why. Why you want to earn more money? Maybe you will say that I have debt, I have EMIs, I have bills to pay. Okay. So your answer could be I need to pay my bills, I need to pay my EMI, but why? What will happen if you pay them? So you will become stress-free, right? And once those bills are paid, once those EMIs are paid, you will left with more money. Now what will you do with that money? Now using that money you can fulfill your dreams. You can see the proud in your family's eyes. You can make your parents proud, right? See, your why should not be casual. It should be as if, like, when you start talking about your why, one should see tears in your eyes. If your why is that strong, then no doubt you will follow that journey with seriousness and you will achieve what you want. Okay, so this was the message I just wanted to share with you in the morning. I know that you have now office, you want to rush to the office, so bye bye. Okay, if possible tonight I will again come live, and in case if you have any questions, anything to ask to me, you can. So thank you very much, and thank you for giving your time coming live. Okay, bye bye, have a good day.